Hello everyone. I thought I would just stop by to take some video. Today is day number 2 after the country opened up. So I thought you might want to know the situation. I'm just stopping by to take this video for you, so at least you know the crowd level at the moment. One thing for sure is that there isn't any sticker on the floor to mark the location that each client should stand and queue. I mean, you can just stand anywhere, to queue before you go into the shop. There is no sticker marking on the floor. I'll show you the floor. Hold on. Yeah, did you see that? No marking. But one thing for sure is that the staff in each boutique will make sure that they take your temperature before you go in. And second thing is they have to make sure that the number of people inside the store is as little as possible. I'm not sure how long this practice will be, but definitely until COVID is over. Imagine this has to go on, how inconvenient it will be. Like, we have to queue at least like 20 minutes before we can go into the store, because they might be limiting maybe up to only like 8 people or 10 people inside the store. So that will be a problem. There will be long waiting time. And I guess by then all the shops will have to practice online sale, and they can only view the merchandise from a display section. But what to do? We have to abide all the rules so as to keep ourselves safe and our family safe. I have no problem with that. The only hassle is the long queue, As you can see, we can see most adults coming up to shop and get some fresh air. And I do see family with children. There you go. And parents with babies. Interesting. Everyone can't wait to get up. How are you guys doing? Okay, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna stop this video here, because I think you have enough footage of what's happening on day number 2 of opening up the retail stores. Oh yeah, just to share, earlier before I enter the mall, of course we have to take our temperature, we have to scan our ID before we can get into the mall. And then at the shop entrance, we have to scan one more time before we enter each store. So if, say for example, if I go to Bottega, I have to scan one more time, take my temperature one more time. And if I want to go to Prada, I have to scan my identity one more time and take my temperature one more time. So this is the situation. And when we exit, we just have to scan out. Alright, that's about it, guys. Take care, and we'll stay updated. Let me know if you have any questions and put down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe. And also click on the alert button each time I have a video being uploaded, or if I have any more unboxing. Take care, guys. See ya next round. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.